This app has superpowers, and you don't have to believe me. Let's just look at one of our users. If you are watching this video and don't have live automation, it's like cooking without good cookware. If you can get the steroids course because it is packed with info, I can't emphasize that enough. Thank you, Kristen, for all you do. Well, thanks for the comment. Now, here's the deal. I'm going to show you the current version as well as some of the features in the upcoming version, but you still have time. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the fact that right now it is just a one-time payment of $149, although you can get it for $110 with Bitcoin, and one-time payment access all previous and current and future versions for zero recurring fees. But on the 15th, it goes to $49 per month. Why? Because time is money, all right? And I've got 120 features that I'm currently building out for you. Let me show you how simple this is when you first get in here. To determine if you're going to add your account manually, just by typing out creditor name, account number, yada, and using the built-in reasons, or adding your own, or using the eOscar code dispute letters, or just importing an identity IQ or smart credit report. And what in the new version, it's actually going to be even easier to use because it's going to drop all of your accounts into this account screen. We have a couple of different buttons here, and you can very simply highlight your negatives so that you don't have to go searching for them. They're just going to be highlighted in yellow, such as this. And you can even check out the payment status. So the payment status is going to show you over here in column B what it is, such as collection or late or bankruptcy, etc. Then you can choose whichever accounts that you want to dispute, and we're just going to send them over to work on them. So it's much easier to do it this way. So we're just going to choose these, send them over. What we need to do is decide what we want to dispute on the account. Let's just say date last paid or the balance, etc. And we're going to choose which bureaus are reporting it and whether we want to delete or we want to correct. So we're just going to choose delete on this one and correct on this one. And we're going to say that it reports to all three bureaus. And when you do that, you're going to see that the data from the credit report actually reports on here. So that also means that when you go and scroll through these different elements of the account, it's going to change and you can actually see and locate all of your inaccuracies and your violations. That is one of the coolest things about this. So let's keep it on data last payment. As you can see, the data from the credit report has been extracted, and there's no other app that has this. If I check this button right here, it's going to create a eOscar code dispute letter instead of a regular dispute letter. So I would just go and choose whichever of these claims fits what I am actually saying. And now it's going to create an eOscar code dispute letter. And if I go over to eOscar dispute letter, we're going to actually have all of the information report on here. As you can see, it created the perfect dispute reason for us, included the dates and the balances, and that is it. It is really simple to create your dispute letters. So if you are tired of spending all this time and all this unnecessary money on apps that just really don't do anything, then you may want to check out Live Automation, and you definitely want to check it out now while it's still a one-time payment. You can also add your accounts manually, as I mentioned, and they will also report on this same dispute letter. It's not going to create different dispute letters for you. We're also going to have exhibits where it's going to screenshot the account and include it with your letter. If you want to check out all the other features, then you're going to want to see this video that I put out the other day, but this is really simple. If you're looking for a fast, easy, affordable method for creating dispute letters that get results, then this is going to be that thing that gets you there.